What's up guys, welcome back to Rooms for You. Today let's look at latest ArrowOS official build running on Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro. The ROM is based upon Android 12 and updated from 8th November 2021. I have been using this ROM on my POCO X3 Pro from last 1 week and my experience was really great on this build. So I'll be sharing the same with you guys as well. When you come to About Phone session, the ROM is based upon Android 12 and I am using GAppt variant. Security patch coupled here is from 5th November 2021. Kernel coupled here is Arrow based upon Linux 4.14, which is a stock one of course. Moving forward, under system settings, all usual options are available. The multi-user option is capable of creating and managing multiple users from here. Developer option is by default enabled in this build, but there is no option for OTA or to check system update. The navigation does allow you to select different navigation models, whether it is gesture or anything else. There is also option for enabling or disabling advanced reboot, as well as you can enable tap to sleep option from here. The options are working without any issue. The power menu here does includes emergency lock button as well as power off and restart options. By selecting restart option, you will be able to access the advanced menu. This includes the option for rebooting into system recovery as well as bootloader. Moving forward, under security session, the ROM does include screen lock, fingerprint, smart lock and more. The ROM is encrypted out of the box and fingerprint here is pretty much faster as far I tested. There is no presence of face unlock as of now. Under display settings, the adaptive brightness control is available as well as dark theme switching. If you scroll down a bit, there is option for selecting minimum and maximum refresh rate. Tap to wake is available here. After enabling both tap to sleep and wake options are working without any issue. Under screensaver option, you will be able to choose different clock styles, as well as if you want you can select photo frames as well. Moving forward, under battery settings, there is option for pixel thermal switching. There are few numbers of thermals and you will be able to select according to your need. Battery percentage option is present and you will be also able to enable or disable battery percentage icon from status bar. Under storage session, you will be able to see both internal as well as external storage details. You will be also able to see the file type based usage from here. And yeah, after installing almost all the applications which I have needed, my phone is only using 28 GB of my internal storage. So when you come to app settings, you will be able to switch your default applications, as well as there is option for enabling or disable Google Assistant. The Google Assistant is working without any issue, whether it is on screen as well as lock screen. Next, let's talk about Quick Settings panel. By selecting Edit button, you will be able to add more tiles to the list. The ROM does also comes out with MI remote. If you are a fan of MI remote, you can enjoy the feature. And yeah, there is option for screen recorder. And let's see if it is working properly or not. The screen recorder here is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. After enabling the screen recorder, I did notice major jitters and lags in app opening animations, which is pretty much known with Android 12 based custom ROMs. When you come to recent menu, there is option for screenshot and clear all option as well. Only these two options are available as of now and both of them does their job. And now let's talk about the Saftynet. Out of the box, the ROM does passes Saftynet checks. The ROM does also got Widevine L3 certification, and under Google Play and settings, the device is also certified. Now let's talk about benchmark scores. Out of the box, after setting up gaming thermals, Antutu scores 5,26,000 plus, and Geekbench scores for single core 772 and multi-core 2397. Which are decent scores for Snapdragon 860. To understand more about performance, I did do a 30-minute CPU throttling test. and the ROM did manage to pull out a decent value out of it. The maximum value I noticed was 2,70,000 plus. After 30 minutes, the ROM managed to pull out average value of 2,13,000 plus. Keep in mind that all these tests have done under room temperature. Moving forward, the ROM does comes out with Google Go Cam as its default camera application. All normal features are working without any issue. If you want more features, you may need to rely on any Gcam ports. Swiping from left to right from the home screen, you will be able to access Google Feed. I did try playing BGMI with this ROM, and yeah, the result was really great. Almost all the time the ROM did manage to keep up the frames almost stable. Since I did only tested Smooth plus Extreme with BGMI, I barely noticed any frame drop. So this is all about latest ArrowOS running on Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.